Oh yeah. Bait fish. Got some bait? Yes, sir. Oh, sorry. Shake him on the ground. Shake him all around. Doo-doo-doo. Today we're back out at Fort DeSoto, the Gulf Pier, and there's tons of people out on a Saturday. And fishing report is not good. Not much biting going on, but there's a lot of bait out here today. A lot of bait. So hopefully we missed the major feeding time already, but minor feeding time coming up in 2-3 hours, so we're hoping to maybe catch something at that time and see what bites today. Man, a lot of pelicans today over here. Wow, pelicans everywhere. We're gonna have to fight the pelicans today. Yeah, the dolphins are back. Yep. Bunch of them here today. Busy Saturday. You think there's people catching fish by looking at the number of fishermen here, but there's nothing biting right now. Yep. So far, nothing. There's nothing biting out here today. Charles using worms. He's trying to catch fish with it. I don't know. He's getting little bites. I got me the first fish today, and it's a little pinfish. Today is a 3-star day, so it's supposed to be a good day for fishing. But I think that cold front is kind of ruining our day, fishing day for sure. That cold front coming in, wind from northeast, makes it hard for catching fish today. We're taking a little short break. It's been what, an hour now already, and a couple pinfish today. That's about it so far. Pretty slow. I don't see anybody else catching anything. Mostly just pinfish. A lot of people are here still. People are still showing up. It's like the busiest I've seen in a long time out here today. I don't know. You guys catch anything yet? Nothing, right? Not even pinfish? Yeah. Not much happening. There's a boat out there. Got the power pole set up and he's fishing out there. I don't know if he's catching anything, but yep, the wind is blowing pretty good. I would say at least 10-15 miles an hour wind. Makes it hard to cast. Northeast wind is cold. Very, very cold. FWC is over there checking out some fish that somebody caught. What did they catch just now? What is it? What is it? Oh, grouper. It's a little grouper. Not much happening still. Getting close to 4 o'clock though. We're gonna try to see if we can catch something at the minor feeding time at 4. And if nothing happens by then, we're out of here. It's been a pretty rough catching day. Dolphins are still out. So I'm sure if you start catching fish, they'll be over here. Oh, there's one right there. Dolphin, yep. Just like that, dolphin shows up. Must be somebody catching fish over there. The sun has finally decided to come out. Little bit of sun. Still no fish. Nothing's biting. Dolphins are still hanging around. We've got about 30 minutes till minor feeding time, so we're hoping that something's gonna happen then. If not, it's gonna be one of those days here at Fort DeSoto. Laura catches her first fish of the day. A little pinfish. It's pretty rough. Pinfish action for Charles. Using the worms. That's the secret bait today. Catching pinfish left and right. Every cast, pinfish. But that's about it. Nothing else going on. Right now, it's the minor feeding time is happening, and we're gonna see if anything bites next hour. Alrighty, we're gonna wrap it up for today. It's been a rough day here at Fort DeSoto. Nothing is biting. This minor feeding time, only thing we are catching is pinfish. So we're gonna wrap it up here at Fort DeSoto today. No keeper fish. There was actually a guy who caught some bonita. A couple of those, or actually one, and then another guy caught one today. So that's kind of interesting. But that's about it. So until our next fishing adventure, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. A lot of people still here. Wow.